With the Bassmaster Classic Tournament coming to Grand Lake later this month, the goal of the Grand River Dam Authority and a large group of lake-related businesses is to have shoreline debris, specifically old dock foam, out of the picture. To accomplish that goal, they partnered together for a large, multi-day shoreline cleanup effort and encouraged the public to take part as well. All around the lake, businesses, private citizens, the City of Grove, and members of Team GRDA have worked together to make sure the scenic shoreline of Grand Lake is prepped for its time in the national spotlight.
It's a big deal to have the homeowners and the resort owners and whoever else wants to just bring their old foam. Every little bit helps to get it off the lake.
Several dock builders around the lake put their construction barges to work to move old foam from the shoreline to collection sites. Other businesses participated by providing locations for the public to dispose the old foam.
I really think it's a wonderful project. I think it's really nice, and I'm really surprised with the participation. I think that's phenomenal. You know, we make our living on Grand Lake, and I think it's a nice opportunity to give something back to the lake.
Once all the foam is collected, GRDA will use its equipment to transport it to Covanta's Energy from Waste facility in Tulsa. The facility has the capability to handle over 1,100 tons of refuse a day and offers the latest technology in waste disposal by extracting energy from waste, like the old foam.
We look forward to this. You know, fantastic partnership, clean up the lakes, get ready to host a fabulous event. We get to show off Grand Lake to the whole nation. So the volunteers collecting the lake trash, gather that up, collect it, put it into Grand River Dam Authority trucks, bring it here where we'll turn it into clean, renewable energy.
This is not the first time GRDA has worked with lake area stakeholders on shoreline cleanup efforts. For several years now, the authority has teamed with the Grand Lake Sail and Power Squadron and the Monkey Island Association on similar events. However, the upcoming Bassmaster Classic and a lake-wide commitment to putting Grand's best foot forward have made this most recent cleanup the most successful of all.
I have never seen this kind of participation. I'm really proud, and you know, I'd like to see it happen on a more regular basis, and I think maybe this will really build some good groundwork for some future participation.